Hello everybody again, this is Mike at Quarter Mile Garage. Thought I'd drop you a quick video here showing you some other projects coming up in my future. I just found this one at the local hobby shop. And it's a simple kit, very few parts. It's an old kit, been re-released. But it looks like it'd just be fun just a quick build. Planning on probably painting this one up today. I'm thinking of going with metallic greens and golds, kind of green. I've always kind of my favorite color. We'll see how this one goes, and we'll have her up on the video soon. And then our club, a couple of the guys brought up the challenge of building the 61 Ford Galaxie. They have it finished by the first of the year. So, I've got one of those around. I'll take my hand at it and build it. And this is what I have got so far. I have done a little bit of body work on her. It's an altered wheelbase 61 Ford Galaxie. Of course, any of you who have this kit know that this here basically will be a curbside kit. The hood's molded in, everything's just a one-piece chassis. That's why they chose it as a quick build and just to see what other people in the club can come up with. I've already done the altered wheelbase. I've gone and sprayed it, the testers, emerald green with a metallic silver. It's got a fade to it. All this was done with a rattle can. I do have an airbrush, but sometimes I get lazy. And about next thing, I got to put a little bit of a clear coat on it. Then we'll start cutting up the chassis. This will be a quick, simple build, but again, it'll be fun. It'll be easy. And have her done before the club meeting at the first of the year. Well, thank you for tuning in.